Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how we can make our websites and start earning as a website designer. So let's begin. What you have to do, you just have to go to the browser and search squarespace.com. Okay, after being here you have to log in with your Google account, or you can also log in with your any other account which is available on site, and simply click on get started. Okay, so after clicking on get started, you can use templates from here. Any template you want, travel, home, decor, whatever you want, you can just simply click here and well, let me choose one. I will choose this one just for the teaching purposes. Yeah, so here you have to put your site title, continue, next, and get started. Okay, after being here, just double click on it, or you can also click on edit. You can do both. So now you can easily customize your website from here, like type here floppy, anything you want. You can also change your background from here, like replace, select from library. You can also use the free images. The Squarespace is powered by Unsplash. Simply search here paintings and press enter, and you will have so many paintings. Just take this one and add image. It will take few seconds to upload the image, and we have it. Now you can also add the more rows and put the gap. You have so many features in Squarespace, so let's move out of here. You can also add a block, like you can add texts. So first of all, whatever you are typing here, just like I am floppy, never mind, I am floppy, just simply copy it, and you can also make it bolder. You can change the color, you can change it into heading, paragraph 2. You have so many features, monospace, a lot of features. And now you can also add your videos. Click on here and simply add a video from here. You can also upload it, or select from your library and also add a link of your video. So it is very easy to use and design your own website. Also image, audio, line, map navigation bar. You can add a lot of things here in your website. Okay, now let's talk about sections. Click on add section. You can add your section here. You can add a contact page, you can add an about page, people, and products, services, portfolios, testimonials, events, course, members areas. You have a lot of feature here, man. You can easily make your website. Now you can also edit your footer. You can change your emailing, your address. You can remove this made with Squarespace, and you can also add made by myself. Just doing it for the teaching purposes. You don't have to write made by myself. It would be very unprofessional. Okay, you can also view as mobile, like how would your website would look like in mobile applications. well, I mean mobile, sorry, not applications. So you can also customize your website according to the mobile look. And yeah, after doing all kind of changes, don't forget to click on save, otherwise it won't save the settings, customization, sorry. After making it done, uh, click on settings to get a domain, click on domains and click on get a domain. So it will give you a domain by itself, or you can also use your auto generated domain. So I'm just getting its own domain. Search here whatever you want, like floppy.com. okay, floppygame.com is available for $20 per year. So that's how you can just buy your domain name. I'm not gonna spend my money here because on this website, but I will show you the template which I made for myself. 1 second. Yeah, this website was designed by me. Just forget this logo, it was very worse. Well, it's still incomplete, but I made this website for the gaming purposes. I also added a schedule here. You can also add pages from let me show you by clicking on here and add. You can also add pages like a blank page, a page layout. There are so many features. So that's all for now. I hope this video helps you. Kindly don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like the video. So see you guys soon. Bye bye and have a good day.